Hello friends, good afternoon everyone. JB friends, I came on the social media for giving the message about the one incident. One shocked incident was registered from the Sangareddy district and Hyderabad near Patancheru outskirts and Pasha Mailaram village. There was the explosion was placed, the massive explosion at the pharma industry. In the three-stair building, there was a reactor placed at the three-stair building. In there the reactor they placed that reactor where there they were placed the reactor there from the explosion, massive explosion happened and the huge blast was occurred. That time the 15 members were killed and 35 members, over 35 members injured. That is why I came and give the message for I am came on the social media friends. First of all, I am expressing my grief and I am sending my condolence and I am expressing my regret toward the victims who were killed and who were died and who were injured persons. First of all, I am expressing my deep grief. And the PM also he was expressed deep grief and he said each family for 2 lakh rupees, like that he also announced. I mean, there from that the pharma industry, that one there from that explosion was uh, happened placed at the time the mishap occurred exactly time 9:40 a.m. That time there was the 140 members working that time when the explosion happened. That time 140 members they working in the factory, the pharma industry, that one. When that explosion uh, came out, that time young the huge young wolf came out and the who were died, the 50 members, their body completely charred and there was debris happen. In the debris the bodies they were collecting and they were identifying the bodies with the DNA test. That one is a one heartbroken incident was registered and was happened really. And the debris there and they collecting and explosion where there was explosion placed in the toll likely to rise. They are said to us that one is a likely to rise the number, like that they are also said to us. And the smoke uh, below smoke and the below smoke was came out. That one happened friends. Really I am asking one thing, where is the industrial minister? And where there the such like industries, pharma industry means that one is a very careful work, not a that one is a the simple industry. Pharma means might if any mistake happen, that was there was the after what is the math, what is the after calamities, what is the after hazards, that one we have to know. That is why I am asking one thing. Where is the industrial minister? There was when that explosion, massive explosion happened, blast, the huge blast was placed. That time, who is the manager in charge also? He was died. In charge also. What is this? That is why where is the management? Every such like industries should be every day should be inspect, should be check, and should be new about the situation, what is going on, which type of any help or any issue there, such like for should be first of all new, and should be new about the situation um, enter the industry. When that explosion was placed, that time the nearby building also, that time affected by the explosion. That is why the government of the Telangana should be take the what is the uh, reason behind the explosion yet to be ascertained. That is why should be set the probe on the issue, and should be new about the explosion, and should be give the complete the security and safety. Especially why such like explosion happening means, especially they are not using the safety measures. That is why that happen. Everywhere where there the any risky industries or any risky work going on, there was we should use the safety measures. That one is measured better to everyone. And the last time SLB, that incident, that one happened, and next this one, what is going on? That is why government should be check, and should be give the completely the safety measure, and what is the such like pharma industry situation should be new about that one. And I am fine, brother. Uh, I am demanding to the government. Government should be give the support to them, the who are died, their family, and who are the injured persons. Should be give the better treatment to them for the speedy recovery. This is my demand to the government, and should be give the some ex gratia to them. Really I am sad about this incident, friends. Everyone should be um, you know respond on the issue, any incident, whenever wherever happen, should be respond, and should be give the voice behalf of the incident. This is my message to everyone. Thank you, friends. JB, once again I am expressing my regret, and I am sending my condolence to bereaved family members and who were died. Thank you, Jai Bhim, everyone.